Let's start by taking a look at today's final project. A fluffy, blooming hydrangea made entirely from pipe cleaners. For this project, you'll need 21 dark purple, 21 light purple, and 14 green pipe cleaners. You'll also need floral tape, 3mm white beads, and a floral wires. First, cut all the purple pipe cleaners in half. Now take each green pipe cleaner and cut it into 3 equal pieces, each around 10 centimeters long. At this point, we have 42 pieces of 15 centimeters pipe cleaners in both deep purple and light purple. And for the stems, we've also prepared 42 pieces of 10 centimeters green pipe cleaners. This gives us just the right amount to create 42 small flowers, enough for a full fluffy hydrangea bloom. Take a moment to organize your materials. Having everything ready before we start assembling will make the next steps much easier and more enjoyable. To create one flower, take 2 light purple pipe cleaners. Fold each one in half, then open them up and cross them to form a plus sign. Twist them together 2 times in the center to secure the shape. Now, fold 1 green pipe cleaner at about 3 centimeters from the top. Hook it around the center of the purple pipe cleaners and twist tightly to secure. Fold the purple ends down toward the center to cover the green wire beneath. Take one of the purple ends, curl it around into a loop to form a petal. Twist once to secure, and tuck the extra length behind. Press gently with pliers to flatten and secure the back. And that completes your first petal. Make sure the ends aren't too short. You need enough length to fold and hide them neatly. Don't worry if your first few petals don't look perfect. The shape and size will get better with practice. After making several, use your thumb to gently pinch the petals inward to create a natural bloom shape. Once done, trim off the fuzzy hairs from the green stem with scissors. This will give your flowers a cleaner, more realistic look. Please be careful when using sharp tools. Always work safely. After trimming, use floral tape to wrap the green stems and secure the structure. I'm keeping the video speed slow so you can follow along comfortably. Once all your flowers are made, apply a little eyeshadow pigment to the center of each bloom to give it depth. Then add a tiny drop of hot glue to the center and stick on a 3mm white bead. Repeat this process with combinations of light and dark purple pipe cleaners. For variety, you can also make flowers with 2 dark purple pipe cleaners using the exact same method. I'll fast forward through these since the technique is the same. Now we have 3 different shades of purple blooms, light, mixed, and dark. Continue making these until you have a total of 42 flowers to 14 in each shade. Next, let's start assembling mini flower bunches. Group 7 mixed color flowers into one cluster. Wrap the stems tightly with floral tape. And spread the flowers apart slightly to create a full bouquet. Make 6 of these mini bundles in total. Take one flower bundle and attach it to the end of a floral stem using hot glue. Wrap floral tape securely around the base to hold it in place. Repeat the process to attach the remaining 5 bundles to the main stem. Spread the flowers apart slightly to create a full bouquet. Wrap tissue around the base of the stem to make it thicker. And then wrap it with floral tape for a smooth finish. Now it's time to make the leaves. Fold one green pipe cleaner in half. About 4 centimeters from the tip, twist to secure. Then gently spread out the 2 sides to start forming a leaf shape. Take another green pipe cleaner. Hook it at the tip of the leaf. And guide the other end around to create a leaf frame. Adjust the shape as needed to form a nice leaf outline. Now we'll fill in the leaf. Fold a green pipe cleaner to create a small section, about 2 centimeters, and secure it inside the frame. Cut off any extra pieces from the frame so we can start filling the shape cleanly. Continue wrapping the pipe cleaner across the frame using a weaving motion. Follow the video closely to get the technique right. If anything is unclear, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Once the leaf is filled and shaped nicely, trim off any excess pipe cleaner ends. Attach the leaves to the flower stem by wrapping with floral tape. And with that, your beautiful pipe cleaner hydrangea is complete.